Hey everyone! Welcome back to Raminmark. Today, we're diving into a grooming essential that every man should consider adding to his routine, the Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000. This versatile grooming kit is designed to handle all your grooming needs efficiently and effortlessly. Let's take a closer look at what makes this trimmer stand out. The Series 3000 comes with 13 pieces that cater to various grooming tasks. You'll find attachments for beard trimming, hair clipping, nose and ear hair trimming, and more. It's truly an all-in-one solution. For instance, the precision trimmer is perfect for detailing your beard, while the hair clipper attachment allows you to maintain your hairstyle with ease. What's great about the multi-groomer is its ability to replace multiple devices with one. This not only saves you money but also frees up space in your bathroom cabinet. Plus, with no blade oil needed, maintenance is a breeze. So, who is this grooming kit for? Whether you're a busy professional, a frequent traveler, or just someone looking for a straightforward grooming solution, the Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Here are a few grooming tips to make the most of your trimmer. Clean the attachments regularly. This will ensure they last longer and maintain performance. Use the right attachment for the job. Always select the appropriate attachment to avoid irritation and achieve the best results. Trim in the right direction. For facial hair, always trim in the direction of hair growth for a smoother finish. In conclusion, the Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000 is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to simplify their grooming routine. With its multiple attachments and ease of use, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If you're interested in getting your own Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more grooming tips, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy grooming!